connected to channel Theo.
Professional streamer.
Feels like I'm caught up in a trance.
Good morning. Got 2 bites of my waffle left. I'll try not to munch too loud.
By my side, it's all ours. So don't second guess. Let down your guard. Just take a chance. I feel the hours ticking down. Wish I could turn it all around.
Arjuku says,
Professional. Start with a workout. Flex biceps.
I should probably disable those. I'm not going to do those just yet. I'm giving myself 2 weeks to get back to 100%. And then I'll start again. Good morning, Dooku. How you doing?
Morning.
Same old places come alive. Wherever we are, feels like I'm seeing with new eyes. Even in the dark, let's go get lost. Just take my hand, ignore the cost. Forget the plan. I feel the hours ticking down. Wish I could turn it all around. But in my mind, we're frozen perfectly in time. Can we turn back the night?
Did I completely wipe out my notes over here?
Can we turn back the night?
They all crashed.
Can we turn back the night?
So I think where I ended up was that I was trying to connect
Pure says,
the script that was running. Good morning, Pure. How you doing? I think it was trying to connect the Python script that was running at a regular interval.
Ready for the weekend. We'll
Nice.
put it that way, D.
Are you off? Does it start today for you, the weekend? One more bite.
Technically, but in 9 or so hours.
That's sock life. Hey, I saw TCM released a sock course. I was going to ask your opinion on sock courses in general. So when I ran Linenum, they found a world writable Python script owned by Root. Creating a file in temp and waiting reveals that the script is run regularly.
Tanifar3 says,
SOC courses, make sure it's SOC 2 compliant. You need both of them.
Pure says,
I learned from doing on-live shit, so I am a bad example. But I might give it a look over sometime.
Okay. So there's two, is there two kinds of SOC? Like, I think there's one for compliance, or two for compliance. And then the SOC I was talking about was like security operations center jobs, like what Pure does.
Tanifar3 says,
There are 3.
SOC 1, SOC 2, and then the job? Or is there like 3 compliance SOCs?
SOC 1 is financial, 2 is technical controls, 3 is publicly available.
Thank you for that.
Then there are types 2.
All right. That's done.
Type 1 is point in time.
Zmetric says,
Holy. Forkin. Neovim.
Tanifar3 says,
Type 2 is 6 months continuous compliance.
Zmetric says,
Welcome back, Brador.
Thanks, Metrics. I didn't realize that. I have no understanding of SOC 1, 2, and 3.
We're starting to worry you got fired and started drinking.
Tanifar3 says,
I was sick. I had pneumonia.
So I can get SOC 2 type 2.
I'm already thoroughly confused. Not a big deal.
Zmetric says,
Pneumonia?
Correct.
Tanifar3 says,
That's tech controls over 6 months of continuous compliance.
Okay.
Zmetric says,
That shit's not common, WTF.
Yeah. Yep. No, and it wasn't. I talked to my doctor yesterday for the follow-up, and I asked him, I'm like, what could I have done to avoid this? And of course he said, call him sooner. But normally I'll try to let it like run its course so my body will fight it off, give it a little exercise, right? But over the course of, so I started to feel sick on Thanksgiving, and then I was pretty sick Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And by the time Monday had rolled around and I was able to get to the doctor's office, I made it to his office, and I nearly passed out. He says
Did he
it was
say
just,
not get the vaccine?
he says it was just like a fluke thing, like the type of bacteria that I had picked up from somewhere just mutated in a way that was just like my body couldn't handle it. And my water intake is pretty shit, which I'm working on, which probably didn't help.
translated from Dutch.
Yeah, I'm not familiar at all with SOC, especially when I was working at the last job. They offered SOC compliance services.
You see when you eat and drink healthy.
For the most part, I'm
Metric
pretty
says-
healthy for the most part.
You support a healthy internal system, where stuff can flourish. If you eat junk 24/7, it's a wasteland and nothing survives.
There's always that. So thank you for the insight, Tawny. Okay, I think I'm obsessing over this too much.
Do you remember OTW Bandit?
Marco Polisic on
absolutely
YouTube
do.
says,
Hello, sir.
Marco. That's Marco Polisic.
Metric
I'm well,
says,
Marco. How you doing?
On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Bandit? That's hard. But for what it's intended to do, I give it a 9. I give it an 8. I think it's a great introduction to
Weasel42
Linux.
says,
Hello, Leo. Hope you're doing fantastic.
Weasel, how you doing? Good to see you
Metric
again.
says,
What? Lamau.
Jug Bell says,
Jug Pearl.
Mr. Theo, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing, Jug Pearl?
Metric says,
Oh, okay, yeah. If you don't know Linux, it ups the difficulty to like 2.
Yeah, yeah.
Weasel
I think that's what it's
42
intended to do.
Ty doing not bad. Good smile, smile.
Good, Weasel.
Metric says,
LOL.
Weasel42 says,
Yeah, if you don't know Linux,
What
it's a
is
pain
the
in the
task
ass.
today? Smile, smile.
OSCP study. So I have a box that I am I'm
Hey
finishing
chat,
up today.
Anti_semi kindergarten was banned. Thought you should know. Hey chat, Practiceed Buggy was banned. Thought you should know.
Oh, you guys. Siri, good Siri bot. Weasel, how you doing?
You OSCP good one smile. You're
Jug Pearl,
going
how
good
are you
smile.
doing? Don't leave me hanging. And Marco over on YouTube, how are you doing? Okay.
I am continuously learning DevOps stuff, studying, working, smile, smile.
Great.
Jug Bell says,
Oh, now you're not blurring your screen anymore. Nice, and I am doing fine.
No, I am blurring my screen if I get to something that's sensitive. If you're talking about specifically OSCP study, I don't even use the materials on stream. When I'm doing my streams, I'm typically doing boxes now that are considered to help with OSCP, the OSCP exam.
Makes more fun to watch.
I
Smile,
know, I hear you. I know, I hear you. The stream has always been about learning. Always been about learning and showing how long it takes and how difficult it can be. Oh boy, what's the
Weasel42 says,
Now are you trained to overwrite?
The only way to learn is by playing. The only way to win is by learning, and the only way to begin is by beginning.
There it is, secret. I'm not trying to override anything. The end of solid state, the solid state box is a Python script that is owned and running by root. And by putting a reverse shell into this script, you escalate your privileges. But I'm having trouble understanding the connection between how they find it. They say they find it with linenum, and I've run linenum on it before, and I don't bring it up. So I'm going to take it for what it's worth and understand that it's a file running as root. And if I find a file that regularly runs as root, if I
Jack
make
Bell
changes
says,
to it, then
Do you consider
I
checking
can escalate
write-up as
privileges.
learning?
Yeah. Yes. Like I get the saying or the methodology of try harder. I get that. But if you don't have the information to pull from, what are you doing? You have to learn. You have to learn it. So again, like I could not find this script. Even when I ran linenum, I couldn't find this script in here. So it's not about trying harder. Like it's about like learning from what it's trying to show you. And in this case, it's a file running as root on a regular basis.
Metric says,
If you can modify anything that's ran as another user, yeah. Privis FTW.
Yep.
Arjuku says,
Agree. QQ.
In your last streams, be found it or what you ran just before you write it.
Fan says,
Theo, we see your face.
Hey, K-Band. Good to see you again. Welcome back.
Jug Bell says,
I agree with you. I'm asking because nowadays all I do is checking write-ups, haha.
Well, I mean, you need to struggle for, 15 minutes to a half an hour to make sure that you can't, make sure that there's nothing you can stumble upon yourself to figure out the solution. That I agree with. But after that 15-30 minutes and there's like nothing, then yeah, look at a write-up and learn from it and then move on. You remember PSPY? We found it with PSPY. I can't find my PSPY. Oh, I was struggling trying to run it.
Weasel42 says,
Leo, did you do
Weasel.
LS Lard? I just wonder.
LART. I usually do ASLP. Oh, looks like I got sidetracked and... Oh, that's right. This was the OSCP materials.
Fan says,
I was on like day 5 of Advent, should sit down and do something. I wanna go to Vegas.
Metric says,
LLFTW.
Weasel42 says,
In the folder which you were trying to find.
In the folder I was trying to find, the write-up says that there's a Python script that's owned by root, and it's running in OPT as tmp.py.
Metric says,
VTW. Do you have a space before your commands? Greater than command.
Weasel42 says,
I don't have a space before my
Yes, and
command.
/ops/tmp.
Metric says,
Being space?
Okay, so you want me to run LART in OPT.
Zist says,
Hello, sir.
Zerx.
How are you doing?
I'm well,
Long
Zerx.
time no see.
Yeah, I know. Thanks. Sorry. Thank you for your patience with me while I got better. Oh, you're not in it, dum-dum. Am I in it at all? I may have to boot it again.
Weasel42 says,
Tie.
So what are you expecting me to find when I run ls LART in OPT?
I wanted to see the file permissions of it.
Waiting, waiting, waiting. Yeah, I hijacked this tab. Probably shouldn't have. But we're going to log in as, what, Mindy? Through an SSH. Oh my god, look at how many commands I ran for get leaks, trying to figure that out. Yep. Waiting for it to boot. Same IP. 893.
Maybe we should all just get along with each other and put away our problems, or whatever it is. We just need to
Ajiku
forget about
says,
everything.
Yep, SSH into the box. Escape the rebastion and do the do.
Okay, there it is. So what do you want me to run in here? LS LART. Okay, there you go. I don't know. I like my ASLP more. I guess they're not I guess they're not that much different.
Weasel42 says,
Yeah, kinda same as yours. D.
Zada Saber says,
What's up, football team players? Shortcake, sandwich, taco, money with wings, birthday cake.
I think I'm caught in your eyes. I have a feeling
Smetric says, Lelo.
the words sipping in my tongue.
Zada Saber says,
Zada Saber, how are you doing today? Okay, so there you go. So this is running at a regular interval. And what they say, something in temp. Let's look at it real quick. Import OS, try OS, remove recursively Okay, so it clears out the TMP folder.
Weasel42 says,
It is removing.
What is cron tab?
Whatever there is in TMP folders.
Where's the cron tab?
Cron tab is used for automation.
Well, I know, but why does this thing run at a regular interval? So as I'm trying to find, like now that I understand, like that's something that you should check. Check the cron jobs and see if there's running on a regular interval. Like I can make that connection.
Used to
Let's see.
schedule the task.
Metric says,
Cause it's in /etc/cron.d.
I don't know where this night is going. Nobody can help me like you do. In the neon lights, our hearts keep glowing. I just want it to be me and you.
No, that doesn't look right. I mean, cron D sounds right. Cron tab.
Weasel42 says,
Can you cat a nap?
Cat cron tab.
Metric
Cat.
says,
Grep.
translated from Swedish,
Dick.
translated from Dutch. Weasel42 says,
Oh, cron tab there, yeah. D.
The words sipping on the end of my tongue. I'm afraid you're gonna run away. I just want it to be me and you.
Let's test user sbin and a cron. I don't see anything there. Should we look at user sbin anacron? Cat.
Metric says,
Do you think your company would allow me to get into your network and put 5 files across systems for you to find?
No.
For funsies?
Nope. I don't even got to think about that, and I know the answer. I think that would be spectacular. I'd give you access to the Ubuntu, maybe. That didn't help.
Airfarm says,
Hi. How is it going? When do you plan to get the exam?
January. Erfam, good morning. Is this colors? I don't like this song.
Zada Sata says,
Put cookie.
Go crazy, I'm just living on my own now. Go crazy, crazy for your love. Go crazy.
Okay, well this little experiment's not working.
Go crazy, yeah. Go crazy, go crazy, crazy for your love.
But okay, so if we dump something in TMP, apparently this thing is running at a regular interval and we'll wipe it out.
Airfarm says,
There's a bunch of shit in temp.
Have you finished all the labs?
No.
Metric says,
What interval?
I don't know. Creating a file in TMP and waiting reveals the script is run regularly. So I'm just going to create your mom.
60 seconds. Smile, smile.
And I can't leave you right now. Go crazy, cause that's what they've been telling me. Oh, oh, go crazy.
There's your mom.
Go crazy, crazy for
Zada Saber says.
Is it a script to clear 10 files?
Symmetric says.
Don't forget to have it North Carolina back to you and Chmod plus X that bish. Ads.
Yep. I'm just testing it out right now and see how long it takes.
Airfom says.
Wish you good luck and hope to see your cert.
Thanks, Irfan.
Smile, smile.
Thanks. You got a way to go still. Still got a way to go. Your mom is still in temp.
Symmetric says.
Watch LS.
It may not be in there. Nope.
Lull rip.
It won't let me allow it.
From Romanian.
Drop to a real bash.
This is working just fine.
Ted2 says. Hi there.
Your mom is gone. D8, so like it looks like a minute or two.
Symmetric says.
Rip.
The D. Good morning. How you doing? I've decided to swap between Fed and the D.
Cron jobs are 60s on boxes.
Gun Void Walker says.
I missed it. How did Webling?
We touched your mom. That's how your mom ended up in temp. We touched her.
Lol.
MM says.
Never gets old.
Dick.
Translated from Dutch.
MM, how you doing? Who you calling a dick? We know.
Symmetric says.
Symmetrics.
Finger.
Always,
Web link.
always got to take it farther. Symmetrics. All right. All right. So yeah. So now we're gonna CD into OPT. No, we don't even gotta do that. We Vim. PT. Maybe Nano. Maybe I should do Nano. This box doesn't like Vim. Nano. OPT. tmp.py is the file. Oh, you dick.
Ted2 says.
Upgrade to a full TTY session.
I hear ya.
Python 3C import proprietary. Proprietary.spawn/bin/bash.
MM says.
There's always Ed, I assume.
Symmetric says.
Can you write to the Pi script?
Gaming golf with the struggle of
Write to your mom.
says.
It's Theo. The man, the myth, the legend. The man who doesn't believe in Santa but still believes in the Browns every week. D.
Gaming golfer.
says.
Good morning.
If so, just edit the directly smile smile.
Gaming golf at the struggle of Israel says.
Good to see you up and around again, buddy.
Oh, I
Hope
feel
you're
a million.
fully recovered or recovery is going well for you. Smile,
I am.
smile.
I'm like 99%, but like I'm practically 100. Command not found. Oh, is it just VI? Okay. Insert. Shit. Undo. Escape. Undo. Okay, this is what I want. Insert. No, let's just delete it. Escape. Space. D. Shit. Shit. Undo. Undo. Wait, I'm good. Insert. Enter. Escape. K. Tab. Insert. Tab. Okay, I don't know why it gave me that many spaces. Absolutely not gaming golfer. Escape. No. Insert. 2, 3, 4. Alright, this is where I want to put it. Ugh. Watch is killing me today. Why is that bugging me so much?
Gaming golf at the struggle of Israel says.
Ha ha. I love how you trained your bots to flag that program.
What's my server on? 69. So we'll listen on 42069. Reverse shell. I don't like the song. Where is my... What the f... Let's pull you over here. What is their suggestion? OS system.
WH0 Sin says.
You're on pretty early.
Gaming Golfer the Struggle of Israel says.
Oh, I know what I wanted to ask you. Your cheat sheet you use on stream. Is that public or your own private notes?
Who is Sin? Yeah, every once in a while I surprise myself. My cheat sheet. No, my all my notes are on backed up to GitHub, which I need to do. It's been a little while. And then they are created into a website, and then they're right there.
Dan Corona on YouTube says.
Dollar path injection.
Dankaroner, spectacular. How are you doing over on YouTube? No, we're gonna do just a reverse shell. I'm not familiar. Path injection.
Gaming Golfer the Struggle of Israel says.
Right on, thanks, D.
You're welcome, Gaming Golfer.
WH0 Sin says.
I'd like to do the same thing with my notes actually. Gonna check out your repo to see if I can figure out how to implement something similar.
Dan Corona on YouTube says.
Nice. What's up, man? Great to see you.
Thanks, Dankaroni. Dankaroner. Yeah, it's not too hard. It's not too bad. It's not too hard. Here's my workflow for GitHub. I use the, and you don't have to do this, but I use the git bash terminal. That looks right. I've changed my methodology, information gathering, and the Lane Kusanagi write-ups. Git add all of these. Wow, this is a lot. This is a lot. A song, that's a lot. Git, commit, M, is it message? A lot. Git, push, origin, main. Check the status one more time. Cool. All right, so now they're all updated on GitHub. And you do that by connecting the directory that you want to back up, that you want to is it backup is the right word, or update the repository on GitHub, but you want to be working in that working directory, right? So that's what I did. So all that's been updated to GitHub. And then the process of, let me look at the notes. I think it's MK Docs. Excuse me. Material for MK Docs. Not that you asked. Wait, is this working? It's working. I forgot I did that.
Ajuku says.
You're excused.
Okay, so that was my... Sweet. 15? Not that it matters.
Metric says,
Oh no. I has very eye.
That was more for me.
Some parts of me might die. Gotta get back up and try. I am not my pain tonight.
Marion says,
Hello.
Hello, Marion. How's it going?
Marion says,
Great.
Demons in the dark. I had some demons in my heart. I've been carrying them around, but I didn't fall apart. I came a long way to pass their face. Look me in the eyes while I embrace my deepest fears. No, I am safe. We step to me, put a smile on your face. Yeah, I'm always.
Oh my god! I finally watched the second season of Arcane.
I've seen it all, but that was not the path I chose. Frequency was way too low, so I avoid. Keep moving on. Keep moving on. Keep moving on.
I was glued to my TV. It was actually right before I finished it up, right before I got sick. I should probably go back. It's so pretty, man. I just like I'm just glued.
Marion says,
Well, day started not so great. FedEx refused my parcel, so I had travel across town to DHL.
Ugh. Why'd they refuse it?
But it's pack and accepted.
All right. Okay, I understand the shebang. But user bin environment Python. This tells the operating system to use the environment command to find and execute the Python interpreter in the user's environment. This script ensures the script runs with the appropriate version of Python installed on the system. Okay. OS provides a way to interact with the operating system, including running system commands. Sys allows access to system-specific parameters and functions. O.system executes a shell command on the system. The command being executed is netcat.
FedEx will deal only with corporate, not with John Smudge.
Gun void.
John Boyd Walker says,
Drop it point.
Yep. Okay. Okay. How about... Oh, I wiped that out already. That's fine.
Marion says,
So, now, dealing with Fatty stopped at Pizza House and gonna enjoy some mulled wine.
Are you gonna eat pizza? What kind of pizza are you gonna have? I can go for pizza. We have a little bit, actually. Oh my gosh, tonight
How are you lovely
I'm going
people
with
doing?
my dad. We go to, every year around Christmas,
Carnivore.
we go to the local theater, and they put on a show called How the Drag Queen Stole Christmas. And it is by far one of the funniest things ever. So we're doing that tonight, me and my dad. I wish I could like broadcast it. It's hilarious. So what am I at? 10:10. 10:10. No, I gotta call back to my machine. 10:10 14:10. 10 10 14 10. Damn it. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Escape. Right quit. And now, because it runs at a regular interval, or do I gotta dump something in there? I don't think I have to dump something in there. I gotta make sure I'm listening. And I'm connected. That is a reverse shell. Thank you. Thank you.
Opera House post from time to time a recording of plays.
Smetric says,
Now do it on a box that's not expecting it.
Winkies.
Smile, smile.
Opera House post from time to time a recording of plays. Oh, I don't think they broadcast it, if that's what you mean. Damn right I'm sharing.
Marion says,
Ugh.
It broadcasts only the start of season.
You're making our love worse.
Missed it.
You're breaking my heart with every breath you take. I pray it's not over. I need your lips
Hey, that's me.
to keep me safe.
Why am I looking at it in... They have a dark mode.
This is to start interest of people, and hopefully get them to pay for rest of shows.
Wow, check that out.
Know who I was till
Certified bug bounty hacker, a little plaque there. And do they do that for all their certificates?
Marion says.
The UX is off the charts.
Didn't know I was better off beside you, but your love was the perfect reminder. Didn't know I was better off beside you, but your love.
Dan Corona on YouTube says.
Damn, I want that. Now.
Yeah, I agree. I like stuff like that from companies. I'm not big on the bug bounty. I don't think that's a valid. Oh, that's a skimmer. Wow.
WH0 says.
HTV marketing is pretty top tier.
Never knew that you'd become my everything. I was better off at letting you come to me. Shouting from the rooftop, she has my mind in her head like that won't stop. I sing about it so she knows I've never forgot.
Okay, we're done on LinkedIn before I get mad at something.
I know you're scared.
Metric says.
Skimmers are a joke.
What's so funny about them? Because you can spot them a mile away?
MM says.
Okay, I'm going back to cash.
Metric says. No. Marion says.
Usually try to terrate for our keyboards when pay with cards.
Gaming Golf at the Struggle Abyss Real says.
If I ever see one of those that says tap out and order or swipe card, I'll walk to an ATM and get cash.
Metric says.
Pause that clearly not using Wi-Fi or GSM.
Marion says.
Didn't you see the one as big as the ATM?
My point is, they're clearly not using Wi-Fi or GSM. Oh, so you're talking about like the actual hardware of it. What I'm saying is that, like, if you get a parent who's running around like crazy trying to like leave work, pick a kid up, get to groceries in order to get home for another kid to get home, like they're not fully paying attention to the payment, to the swipe or the POS terminal. They're not. They want to pay for the gas and get on to their next thing. So like it's awful. It's awful.
Metric says.
I can't wait to find a skimmer. Free hardware.
Dan Corona on YouTube says.
Schematic scheme of the bin hall.
Translated from Bosnian. Metric says.
Besides, most idiots use their shit-ass iPhones these days. Tap
Oof.
tap.
Don't be a dick.
Dick.
Translated
Correct.
from Dutch.
Okay, let's shut this guy down. What's next?
Lol.
Always wondered, did I make the wrong?
I forget where it's at.
I've been sad for so long. Take me back to Kumo City. Disconnect me from this world. Please, find me.
That girl is poison. Spectacular. Hell yeah.
Marion says.
My pizza is ready less than 3.
You didn't tell me what are the toppings on it.
Please, find me.
Carnivore.
Symmetric says.
He did. Which is basically all the meats.
Oh. Meat lovers. That's what she said. A carnivore. Okay, I've never heard of a meat lovers called a carnivore. Now I know.
Marion says. Symmetric says.
Meat lovers usually doesn't have hamburger.
Marion says.
Not tree lover.
Back to Kuo City. Disconnects me from
Dan Corona on YouTube says.
Poison is one of my favorite boxes.
Monospace says.
Carne equals meat, boar equals eater. Good morning.
Good morning, Monospace Manor. How you doing? By the way, if you like my my content, you'll enjoy Monospace Menor's more. Very knowledgeable, always willing to answer questions. Overall, excellent human being. The exact opposite of Symmetrics. Thank you. Thank you.
You are too kind. I'm blushing here.
Get out of here. Oh. Okay, how about this? How about this? How about...
Turtle Main on YouTube says. Monospace says.
Turtle Main.
But hey,
welcome back. Good to see you.
Live stream at 2 p.m. UTC. Bring your SRE questions.
Nice. Thank you very much. Thank you kindly for that invite. Fed, I'm going to give you your points back. I want to try to get something done here. Don't hate me. I'm sorry. Let's go into
Turtle Main on YouTube says.
Hack the Box.
Good morning, nice to see you as well.
Can I put a script that I want to run anywhere? Where do I put that? I can put that in I was just messing with it. I was just messing with it in history.
CD dollar or temp.
Translated from Turkish.
No. Turtle Main. Yep. Very cool. Good to see you again. No, what? It's not going to be on my history because I'm in so many different browsers. No, I was in the thousands. I was just looking at it. I was just doing it with Git leaks.
Control a Git leak.
No, then this is the problem with using multiple tabs.
Dayloop says.
Yesterday I went ahead and downloaded RAM from the internet. Sparkles, tomato, sparkles.
Tez, thank you for the follow. Dayloop, thank you kindly for the sparkles, tomato sparkles.
Symmetric says.
It's
lol neat. Ram.x. Smile smile.
Dayloop, how you doing? User local bin. Does that run from anywhere?
I always tried my best to be the one you were looking for. I guess it was not the end when you said you didn't love me like before. 'Cause this person I've become doesn't feel like me anymore. And I'm far away.
New
Dayloop
box?
says,
At work currently, how you?
Peter Parker on YouTube says,
mvfile/user/local/bin.
Thank you. Peter Parker, thank you over on YouTube. I got there eventually, but thank you for the reminder.
Dan Corona on YouTube says,
I'm going to have to jump onto Twitch with all the cool kids, I guess.
I'm just saying, like,
Mono's Pace
I got all my
says,
emotes over here,
You
man.
can check echo $path if it's in the default search path.
Dayloop says,
Ooh, YouTube dual streamer. Nice.
And for the dreams I made, I'll do everything it takes.
I'm checking if that is in the path. User local bin.
When everyone forgets, just promise to remember me.
User local bin, user local bin. Okay, it is. All right, so anything that's in user local bin will run globally. So I want to create a quick script in the next 10 minutes or so that will Siren. I saw
Peter
Siren
Parker
had
on
something
YouTube
like this.
Should be in the path by default, I believe.
Yeah, it looks like it is. So what do I have?
Fallen says,
Good morning, Smile Smile.
I want to build a... So like... Hold on. LS... HTB... Solid state. Well, I guess I really don't. Is there anything in the other one? I mean, I've got a Go Buster, and then I have a... Oh, that's not right. Solid state.text should read like nmap.
I've tried all the ways to feel alive, but except for you, everything's now empty. If you ask me for the same time,
What else do I have in here?
it's plenty. You make me do things that I want to. 'Cause without you, I don't feel alone. You see, I'm lonely lately. Without you, empty. All I do is crazy. You see,
What did she have? She had like... She had a folder for credentials. She had a folder for...
you make me do things that I want to. 'Cause without you, I don't feel alone. All I do is just for you.
No, maybe I'm not there yet. Yeah, all I have is text. So if I created a bash script for a new box, it would just be creating the folder for it. I put all my notes in Obsidian.
Pure says.
Back from my 121.
Yeah, how much longer do you have there? 3 weeks now?
No. Last day is 21st February.
Okay. Over a month now. If I were to keep notes in here, I'd have to write them in Markdown in a file. Zerks, thanks for the hydrate.
Dan Corona on YouTube says.
Medire der name and CD der name and mukter subder and etc.
Translated from Azerbaijani.
Yep. That's what I'm going through, but like I thought I had more to those folders, and I really don't right now. So I'm going through it in my head.
Peter
Like
Parker on YouTube
I can
says,
make.
You can get the Copilot Obsidian plugin which converts your notes to Markdown.
Obsidian plugin which converts my. Well, I don't understand that. I take my notes in Markdown.
WH0 says.
I created something a while back you can probably modify. Web link.
No, I appreciate that. Let's check it out here. Uh-oh. Something's off. I'm looking for HTTP workflow.
Maybe it's private 1 second.
Okay. Yep, it looks like it's private. I thought it was signed in.
Remember last year, how'd it go? There was nothing inside to just let go. Can't even hold on, I fall apart. Wish I stayed a little while with you. It's deja vu when I'm with you. Where did our time go again? You let it get to you. It left me blue.
Hold on real quick while you're doing that.
Walk out of doors, forget all of our past. Pretend you didn't leave while I was crumbling in the dark. Wide awake, but you're not here with me. Nah, 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 nah. It's deja vu when I'm with you. Where did our time go again? You let it get to ya and left me in blues. I know it ain't easy not to cry. I can't pretend I'm okay. I won't lie.
Thank you. Oof. Chilly. Okay, we good yet? Refresh. Still 4 repos. Whatever.
WH0 says,
No, don't know how to do it on my phone, gonna do it on my other laptop.
No worries. Yeah, so I mean, it would add a step to my workflow because I put all my notes for, I could create a text file that would put my notes in there, but I don't. It's just an extra step. I already put my notes in Obsidian, so I wouldn't really need a notes thing. Let's change our methodology, right, to name and map.
Check now.
Taking control. I've had enough of this. Been losing my soul. Time to get a grip. I'm taking control. I've had enough of this. Getting out of this soul. 'Cause I got a life to live. Taking control. Cause I got a life to live.
Right on.
It basically just creates there's variables. My workflow is slightly different now since this is when I first started learning.
Cool. So what do you do here? What do you got here? All right, so ask you the name of the machine, target IP address. Cool. It makes a directory. From HTB that you entered your name of the machine. Changes directory into it. Makes directory, file downloads, creds keys, vulns.
I've spent too many nights showing up at your place, and I gave you my heart from the start, but you pushed it away.
So you make a directory within the box directory.
And it sucks when you're gone. Feels so unnatural. I throw my hands up, beg on my knees, 'cause I need some
Enum. Got it. And then another one, files.
that's what I need.
I don't know what that does though. I mean, it makes an enum directory, but it looks like you have a choice between nmap or fuzzing. My bash is rusty. Then you make a files and then a downloads. A files directory and a downloads file. Okay. And then a creds directory keys file, vulns directory, and CVEs payloads. Okay, so it makes two in there. Got it.
You say that it's hard and you swear,
Then you touch another file called creds,
but I still feel alone on my own, almost
where you have hashes, creds.txt, password.txt, user.txt.
and you're out. Look where you got me now. If you want me to stay, better meet me halfway, 'cause I want you around. I throw my hands up, beg on my knees, 'cause I need some love tonight. Baby, you can save us if you just try. You can make it all alright. That's what I need. That's what I need.
It's pretty awful.
No.
I don't have any background, and this is when I first started learning, but maybe
It's
you
not
get some
awful.
inspo. I'll probably modify this soon and update it to reflect my current workflow while I'm studying for OSCP.
I'm just trying to understand it. It's not awful. It's excellent. And I appreciate you sharing it. And I don't appreciate you talking it down. I appreciate you sharing it. Have you seen my notes? Have you seen my GitHub? This is fine. This is pretty neat. I'm trying to understand if I can make it work in my workflow. Let's try it. Real quick. We're gonna dump it here. So I should be able to get clone.
It's cringe looking at it to me, BC. I've improved so much of my methodology, lol.
Okay, then yeah, then update it. But it's not. I don't think it's awful. I appreciate you sharing it. Cannot create a work tree. Permission. Well, you're a dick. That's why. No. I gotta get used to these buttons over here. Home, end, page up, page down. I mean, that makes sense, actually. End. Home, end. Really? What do you mean not found? Come on. What could I possibly be doing wrong?
I don't remember if it has to be done in /ESH. I remember struggling with something in the code. This is when I was practicing scripting.
No worries. Well, I'm going to give it a run and see. Or maybe not, actually. I don't know why this is not working. Fatal repository not found. I mean, you made it public.
The raw file.
I know, man.
Fallen says,
You're git cloning but using sh and not. Git, so you need to curl or wj the raw file. Woo. Sorry, I'll shoot lol.
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. As soon as I think that I understand like how to grab shit off GitHub, like that happens. It is what? That
Zetric
machine is poison.
It's about that time for me.
Fallen says,
Me too.
I will say, I look forward to your streams cause your hella humble and great atmosphere.
Thank you.
Oh shit's metrics is here quick. Run tongue.
Fallen, thank you.
says,
Have yourself a great rest of your day /stream /box /etc.
Right on. You too's metrics.
No.
Have a good day. Good to see you. And the target IP address. Oh, I didn't spawn it.
Fallen says,
Have a good day's metrics.
Aw, Panther's on. It's been forever. Still spawning. It's got to be what, 1010 something. Ten 84. Oh crap. Guess what? Where is it going to put it? Okay, I can't run this because I have to adapt. I have to change that to lowercase HTB for my box. See what I mean? Yep, lowercase HTB. And then everything else would be fine. What makes the directory HTB every time? All right, so long short, I just have to go through it and adapt it more to my box a little bit more. No. I need to be in my HTTP folder. Yeah, I need to be in my HTTP folder because, okay, all right, I think I get it. All right, but it's time for me to put the small beanie hacker on the bus. So, thanks for hanging out. Fallen. Husin, thank you for the file. Thank you for the bash script.
WH0 says,
The HTTP var is taken as input, which is the name of the box.
Right.
Hua says,
Catch you in disk.
Yeah, yep, I'll be in Discord today.
And run it from your workspace. Have a great rest of your day.
It's not working. It's in my local bin. See, I'm still not doing something right. Like, I don't understand why this isn't working. Oh, do I need to, like, source my ZSH again?
Ajuku says,
Smart exit, or make an alias.
Yeah, but shouldn't I be able to just put it in? I thought I was able to put it in my, in that user local bin, and anything from that user local bin will be automatically in my shit, I didn't mean to close that.
If it is Chmadex.
It is.
Maybe start a new terminal tab.
I'm not understanding something. I'm gonna have to look at it later because I gotta make sure small beanie hacker's up. Okay, we're gonna raid White Panther.
WH0sin says.
Try sourcing your shell RC.
Fallen says.
Sorry, was prepping for work. I missed what you said.
White Panther's awesome. It's part of the Claw Discord Twitch team.
WH0sin says.
No. Slash.
That worked. Thank you. Everyone have a great day. Quickly. Fallen, Gaming Golfer, Gunvoid, K-Band, Monospace, Pure Cipher, Arduku, the D,
Fallen says.
Husin,
above, yes.
Zerks.
Translated from Tagalog.
Have a great day. Thank you for hanging out bright and early.
Have a great day.
For each crystal.
Zisk says.
Have a great day and take care, sir.
There's 7 that are not. So, what crystal by using is an array. And we need to go through that array. Oh, it's Theo! Welcome in! I was just so locked in there. Come on in. How are you doing? With it. This one again! It's like the only clip you have. Clean up your clips, man. Welcome in. I am working through Debug December. I have a new keyboard. I can't code on it very well. It makes me feel sick. So it's an extra level of nonsense. You cleaned them? Well, clearly you enjoy that clip. Yeah, so I need to do for let I can't type. Like I equals 0. I is less than crystals dot length I plus pressing that when I want to press my layer button. Space. If crystals I where's my square bracket? I does not equal no. Are you sure? Back to your rant about CPs. Thank you for the raid, Theo. Thanks for the alert. Welcome in.
Let's get up and leave this place. They say we're crazy, we lost our minds. Packing our lives up, leave them behind. But for you, baby, I give my life. So
let's log here. What? Crystals I is something went wrong.
I wanna kiss you at every red light.